Imperial Heritage Hotel Melaka. 4 stars. Strategically located in Melaka, the Imperial Heritage Melaka offers modern and homely accommodations with free Wi-Fi access throughout the property. It features a splash pool, fitness center, a 24-hour front desk and free parking space on site. I like on how your staff handles situation and greetings. Follow the link in the description to find out the price of accommodation on the most reliable hotel portal in the world. I love the room ambience, location, and the best part is all of the room is non-smoking room area. Value for money. Good location with reasonable price. Checked in and out was fast. Bed was comfortable. Breakfast is great. Follow the link in the description of this video. You will find the hotel rating, the best price and excellent customer service. Our team did a lot of work to create this video. Press like and subscribe to our channel.